Welcome back to Make Money Online. Today we'll be considering the SEC lawsuit and why it could end sooner rather than later, and what you can do to maximize the opportunity it offers. Like and subscribe to this channel to watch more exciting videos like this one. The SEC said in December 2020 that Ripple had effectively been running a $1.3 billion unregistered offering, and that it deems XRP a security and not a cryptocurrency. As a result, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission filed a complaint against the blockchain company Ripple over how it sells XRP. XRP has lost about 3/4 of its value in 6 weeks, counting from the early weeks of December 2020. XRP was down 28% on the day to about 20 cents, having fallen to a session low of 20.1 cents earlier in that day. XRP has lost about 75% in value since hitting a 2-year high in early November, when investors took advantage of a weaker US dollar to pile into cryptocurrencies. Some analysts have also been more confident about the short-term position of Ripple. Some investors think that the optimistic forecasts are impressively bullish considering the events of late. The coin has been gaining ground early in January 2021 to about 33 cents, which was a growth of about 50% of its starting price for the year. And it's been enjoying its own pumps deep into February 2021. Despite holding above 42 cents, the altcoin dropped to 6th place for the first time since 2014 on the leading cryptocurrency ranking website. As reported by You Today, Cardano, ADA, managed to surpass XRP for the first time last week. The token behind the proof-of-stake blockchain of the same name is now the 4th largest cryptocurrency, behind only Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. XRP's absence from the top 5 is truly jarring, given that it's been a long fixture on the crypto pedestal. However, the gap is still too small for the cryptocurrency to catch up, and there's still some back and forth between 5th and 6th places due to price fluctuations. The controversial token first burst into the top 5 back in August 2013, the same month that the Securities and Exchange Commission alleges Ripple started making unregistered offers and sales of XRP in its lawsuit. The last time XRP dropped out of the top 5 was back in July 2014, when Peercoin and Next, the two coins that only old-timers remember now, were still a thing. After fighting it out with Litecoin, XRP had been the 2nd largest cryptocurrency for a good portion of 2015, before Ethereum surpassed it in February 2016. In 2018, XRP managed to flip an Ethereum on several occasions. September 22, 2018 was the last day so far on which the token was the largest altcoin. XRP dropped to as low as 17 cents on December 28th after numerous exchanges and asset managers started dropping the token in the aftermath of the SEC lawsuit. It then recovered to 75 cents on February 1st before a major crash occurred on the same day, raising concerns over price manipulation. According to data by Whale Alert, in the last 10 hours, 93.3 million XRP have been sent by 2 crypto exchanges, Bybit and Binance, in 3 transactions. 20 million XRP were sent from Bybit to Binance in 2 lumps. 20 million and 53 million XRP was transferred by Bybit internally. Several hours after that, XRP soared to the 47 cents level from 42. As has been happening, XRP was pushed back to 6th place with Polkadot claiming its top 5 position on the CoinMarketCap scale. XRP projected range-bound movement as the dust settled in its market following a period of high volatility. XMR moved within a horizontal channel and the breakout did not seem imminent over the next few sessions. IOTA could depend on a broader market rally to climb above its local high. XRP continued its consolidation phase over the past few days as some cautiousness was observed in its market. The consolidation was preceded by a period of high activity for XRP, in which the crypto asset rose to December 2020 levels and then plummeted to the 36-cent support. It now showed low volatility in the price as the bands were compressed. A breakout in either direction did not seem likely over the coming sessions as the trading volumes and buying activity remained subdued. The Awesome Oscillator was bullish neutral as a single green bar was registered on the index in the last trading session. Moving forward, XRP could continue to move range-bound on the charts. An analyst predicted XRP price to reach 42 cents by the beginning of March. It's still some time ahead and we're consolidating on 45 cents. For the longer term, the coin is not expected to fluctuate a lot, with this year's average standing at 70 cents. By December 2021, the service estimates the rate to grow a little and trade at $1. XRP is overall bearish from a short-term perspective, trading inside the blue channel. But since it's approaching our green support, it would be a good area to look for trend-following buy setups to join the overall bullish trend. The upper blue trend line is already valid, but XRP is not ready to go yet. Before we buy, we want the buyers to prove that they're taking over again. That's why we're waiting for the momentum candle close above the last swing high in gray to confirm the reversal. Meanwhile, until the buy is activated, XRP would be overall bullish and can still break the green zone downward and reach the 40 cents round number before going up, or even break the 40 cents downward. For now, as per the current market condition, we're waiting for a momentum candle close above the gray area to confirm the reversal. As we can see here, on February 1st, the price began its downward movement, and from the same day the price began its movement in the growing channel. As we can see, the channel lines have been broken several times, but this does not prevent the price from following the channel's direction. Now the price has bounced off the lower channel line and started its upward movement. We think this movement will continue to the upper channel line. Note that the price always pushes down from the upper channel line. Therefore, today we expect the price to continue falling and return to the lower channel line. The daily time frame has printed a quite strong area, which can leave us an opportunity to use it. Wait for a daily candle close above 50 cents and it will trigger the trade. First target 50%, the wick fill. Here there's volatility inbound for XRP. The price is in a wedge, which is clearly in a contracting phase. Expectation would be for a drop now or a rise to 45 cents and most likely a drop from there. Mostly bearish until we get more news from the SEC front. This chart shows the hint to sell a break of 40 cents, stop at 42 cents. This is for trading within a bearish channel formation. The 54-hour EMA is at 41 cents. A break of 41 cents is needed to confirm follow-through negative momentum. It has a bearish outlook. Trendline resistance is located at 43 cents. The profit targets will be 36 cents and 34 cents. A new resistance will be set at either 43 cents, 45 cents, or 47 cents with the support at 41, 38, and 36 cents. Taking all these factors into consideration, XRP has some good potential, given to form a possible reversal within the structure. Therefore, XRP-USD must manage to bounce decisively within the conformational bounce. Because if this doesn't happen and XRP-USD moves below it, the bearishness will continue. However, if XRP-USD manages to bounce within the structure and move above the descending resistance line, it'll activate the bullish continuation and testing of remaining resistances. One thing that has majorly influenced the volatility of XRP includes whale alerts. The existence of whale bots will dramatically control the value of cryptocurrency tokens on the crypto exchange. To put it clearly, whale bots are massive operators of software that instantly create transactions, sometimes concurrently on an enormous number of assets and platforms together. This leads to artificially generating volatility, which subsequently pushes the value of the crypto market up or down. The whale alerts have recently alerted the market of large-scale movement of XRP on notable exchanges. This could play to the advantage of XRP in the long run. Skepticism was brewing in the market as to how long the coin would linger in the fall zone. There is a sigh of relief for investors who believe that something marvelous could pop up despite the lawsuit. We think that a major move of the crypto could happen following the SEC lawsuit. XRP's fan base can find joy in its return to a new high following its most recent pumps and reversals. Having bought so much into the XRP dip, some might be looking to offload some of it in the crypto market at a slightly higher price than they bought. According to CoinSwitch, the price of XRP is expected to gradually increase, eventually reaching $1.10. They believe that if Ripple continues to develop at a rapid pace and has independent trading platforms and investment routes like Bitcoin and Ethereum, the coin will be able to reach the $2 mark by the end of 2021. As we move further into 2021, Ripple is expected to attract some heavy investment from some institutional investors, whose announcement will lead to a major boost in the price of XRP. If you already have XRP stored up, just keep it. It'll take a whole lot more than a lawsuit such as this to bring XRP down. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell. What other crypto topics would you like us to talk about? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.
That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.